friends, today I am going to show you project on diversity of India. Here is the cover page of the project. Let's see inside pages of the project. So first page is an introduction, that is name, class, division, roll number, subject, teacher and topic. The next page is index, diversity of India, cultural diversity, linguistic diversity, religious diversity, geographic diversity, ethnic diversity and culinary diversity. The next page is diversity of India and its information. Let's have a close look of the page. Diversity of India. Then number 1, cultural diversity. You can write it like this. On the next page, the third point is left on the first point, left on the next page. Then linguistic diversity. You can write it like this about linguistic diversity. Then religious diversity. You can write it like this. Then next page, fourth one is geographic diversity. Have a close look of the page about geographic diversity. You can write it like this. Then fifth point is ethnic diversity. You can write it like this about ethnic diversity. Then the next page, the sixth point, culinary diversity. Have a close look of the page. You can write like this about culinary diversity, like this. And here is the end of the project. If you like it, share it and subscribe the channel for more new videos. Thanks for watching.